are watching today's Kaleidoscope.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball that bounces on your feet. C is for cat that says meow, meow, meow. D is for dog with a happy bow, bow, wow. E is for elephant so big and grand. F is for frog that hops on the land. G is for goat with a beard and a bleat. H is for horse with fast running feet. I is for ice cream, a cold yummy treat. J is for jar where we store something neat. K is for kangaroo with a pocket to hide. L is for lion who roars with great pride. M is for monkey who swings in a tree. N is for nest for a bird family. O is for orange, a juicy round fruit. P is for penguin in his smart black suit. Q is for quail, a bird with a feather. R is for rocket that flies through all weather. S is for star that twinkles at night. T is for tiger with stripes strong and bright. U is for umbrella for a rainy day. V is for van that takes you away. W is for watermelon, green, red, and wet. X is for xylophone, an instrument you can get. I is for yak with long, shaggy hair. Z is for zebra with stripes everywhere. Now we know our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Now we know our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A is for apple, red with root, crunchy and sweet. E is for ball, bounce, throw, roll it with your feet. C is for cat, says meow, soft for naps all day. D is for dog, plays fetch, wags tail, wolf to say. E is for elephant, huge great trunk, big floppy ears. F is for frog, green hopper, ribbit, loud and clear. G is for goat, climbs rocks, eats grass and leaves. H is for horse, gallops fast through fields and trees. I is for ice cream, cold, sweet, melts in the sun. J is for jaguar, spotted cat, jungle runner. K is for kangaroo, big hopper with a baby pouch. L is for lion, golden mane, king's mighty roar. M is for monkey, swings back, tail of bananas more. And N is for nest, rig, home for eggs in a tree. O is for orange, juicy round fruit, peel it to eat. P is for penguin, waddles on ice, black and white suit. Q is for quail, tiny bird, feather, crown, quick feet. R is for rocket, blast to space with fiery broom. S is for star, twinkles bright in night's dark room. T is for tiger, striped cat, silent forest crown. U is for umbrella, rain shield, keeps you dry now. U is for band-aid boxcar, for trips to go. O is for watermelon, striped green, pink inside, seeds in rows. X is for xylophone, tap, colorful bars to make song. Y is for yak, hairy mountain cow, shaggy and strong. C is for zebra, black, white stripes, gallops free. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, the alphabet's in me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, the alphabet's in me.
Apple is for apple, crunchy fruit that grows on trees. It can be red, green, or yellow to eat. B is for ball, fun and bouncy for playing games. You can throw, kick, or roll it with friends. C is for cat, furry pet that says meow. It loves to nap in sunny spots all day. D is for dog, friendly animal that wags its tail. It barks woof and loves to play fetch. E is for elephant, cheers with the long bended trunk. It sprays water to take a bath. F is for frog, Green and hops on lily pads. It says ribbit and catches bugs with its tongue. G is for goat, has horns and says bow loudly. It climbs rocky hills and eats grass. H is for horse, runs fast with the flowing mane. You can ride it or give it crunchy carrots. I is for ice cream, cold sweet treat in a cone. It melts in the sun and tastes yummy. J is for jaguar, big cat with spotty fur. Prowls in the jungle and is very strong. K is for kangaroo, hops high on two strong legs. Its baby rides in a cozy front pouch. L is for lion, fluffy fur called a mane. It roars loudly to talk to its family. M is for monkey, swings by its tail in the trees. It loves bananas and makes ooh sounds. N is for nest, cozy twig home for birds. Baby birds hatch from eggs inside it. O is for orange, juicy fruit you can peel. It's sweet and bright like the sunshine. P is for penguin, waddles on ice in a tuxedo suit. It swims fast and slides on its belly. Q is for quail, small bird with a feather crown. It hides in tall grass and says caw-cow. R is for rocket, zooms high into outer space. It blasts off with fire and smoke. S is for star, twinkles like a diamond in the night sky. It shines far, far away from Earth. The tiger, a tiger has orange fur with bold black stripes. It's a big strong cat that roars loudly. U is for umbrella, keeps you dry when rain falls. Open it wide like a colorful roof. V is for van, big car that carries lots of things. It's like a room on wheels for trips. W is for watermelon, giant green fruit with stripes. It's juicy and pink inside with black seeds. This is for xylophone, makes music when you tap its bars. Each colorful bar sings a different note. Y is for yak, hairy cow with curly horns. It lives where it's snowy and gives warm milk. Z is for zebra, black and white stripes like pajamas. It runs in herds on grassy plains. Sing together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. A is for alligator, alligator, alligator. Chop, 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 hear the sound of the gator. B is for bear, 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 big and strong with fuzzy fur to wear. C is for cat, cat, cat. Meow, 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 can you purr like that? D is for dolphin, dolphin, dolphin. Jump so high and splash in the ocean. E is for elephant, elephant, elephant. With a long, long trunk, stomp, stomp, stomp. F is for fox, fox, fox. Sly and quick, sneaking through the rocks. G is for giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. Tall and proud with a long, long neck to laugh. H is for hippo, hippo, hippo. Splash in the mud and wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. I is for iguana, iguana, iguana. Green and bright, crawling in the sun. J is for jaguar, jaguar, jaguar. Fast and fierce, running near and far. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo. Hop, 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 what can you do? L is for lion, lion, lion. Roar so loud the king is flying. M is for monkey, monkey, monkey. Swing, 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 let's be funky. N is for nightingale, nightingale, nightingale. Tweet, 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 a song in the dale. O is for owl, owl, owl. Hoot, 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 who's wise and proud? P is for penguin, penguin, penguin. Waddle, 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 in the snow we're mingling. Q is for quail, quail, quail. Run, 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 wagging your tail. R is for rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. Hop, 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 it's a fun little habit. S is for snake, snake, snake. Hiss, 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 slither by the lake. T is for turtle, turtle, turtle. Slow and steady
we walk through the portal. U is for Uriel, 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 climbing high with horns that spiral. V is for vulture, 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 soaring high with wings like a sculpture. W is for whale, 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 splash, splash, splash with a mighty tail. X is for Zurus, 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 jump and run, we're feeling adventurous. Y is for yak, 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 with long shaggy fur on your back. Z is for zebra, 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 stripe by stripe, see you later. Now we learned our A to Z, with animals as fun as can be. Repeat the sounds and sing along. Phonics makes us smart and strong.
Subscribe for a kaleidoscope of joy. Let the adventure begin.